everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kidney beans, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with kidney beans. So if you're looking for some new ideas, some recipe ideas using kidney beans, hopefully this will help you out. Kidney beans go well with anise seeds, basil, bay leaf, cayenne, chili pepper flakes, chili powder, cilantro, coriander, cumin, garlic, ginger, oregano, paprika, parsley, sage, savory, tarragon, thyme, and turmeric. I sure hope this helps. Bye for now.